Ow. Cute. Almost there. Last little bit. This is literally my face. Ew. Very satisfying, 10 out of 10.
I was into you, but I'm over it now. And I was trying to be nice, but nothing's getting through, so let me spell it out. A, B, C, D, E, F. You and your mom and your sister and your job and your broke-ass car, and that's it you call art. Fuck you and your friends that I'll never see again. Everybody but your dog, you can all fuck off. Na 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 na. A, B, C.
Oh my god. Ugh. This is nasty. Hold on, thumbnail. Ugh. This is so satisfying though at the same time. I kind of love this. But my face, ooh, it stinks so bad. My face is not going to be happy. Ugh. Gosh, it smells. Okay, let's get a little bit more up here. Oh my gosh. Ow, I didn't need that hair anyway. I'm gonna take these off too because I don't want them on anymore. Let's do right here. So gross. And then the lips, this is gonna be, I don't know how. Oh, there we go, that makes sense. All right, so I hope you found that to be super satisfying. As you can see in the redness in my face, it is not loving me right now, and overall I look like a dumpster set on fire.
My face feels so gross. We need to take this off. But first, look what happens when I try to smile. Oh! Oh, this does not feel good. Oh. If anyone wants this, let me know. I'll mail it to you. This is terrifying, but I kind of love it. Guys, please ignore the zin in my mouth. I'm trying to quit vaping.
I really like your body. I really like your body. I really want
Okay, I want to peel my skin off too. And I'm pretty sure the way she did it is by applying a layer of liquid latex under the makeup. We don't want to get liquid latex in the hair. I'm scared, I don't want to do this. It's too late to go back now, I've already committed. Okay, I guess we just go in. I'm gonna have no baby hairs at the end of this. This is taking so long, why did I decide to use a Q-tip? This feels like a very bad face mask. I just realized that she put liquid latex on her lips as well. Now we wait for this to dry. Okay, the latex has dried and I'm looking nice and shiny. It's also really hard to move my mouth. Oh no, oh wait, I was not expecting that. Do not do this at home. Okay, I fixed it. And now we just do our makeup as normal. Okay, this is terrifying. I'll look like I'm wearing a mask. I'll post the removal in like...
Why did I do this to myself? Let's peel it off. Oh my god. Ow. Oh my god. I just wanted to zoom in, but like, oh my god. Oh, it hurts my cheek so bad. Oh, y'all think charcoal mask is bad? Oh my god, wow, oh my god, it's on my eyelids. I forgot about that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, these are just the worst. Oh, I'm talking like Shrek because it hurts so bad. Guys, it hurts. It hurts. Why do I do these things? Why? Ow! Oh god, it's in my hair. Oh. Oh, the brows were no problem though with the Elmer's glue. Oh my god. They were fine. Everything's a mess. It's all falling apart. Oh. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh. I am gonna have hair breakage. For what? Okay, I'm gonna pull it off. Just gonna do it. It's gotta. There's so much. There's hair. There's hair. There's hair. I knew this was a bad idea. I knew. Why did I do this? What's wrong with me? I lost hair.
Hurts so bad.
Wipe it down. 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 Wipe it down.
It's so easy, you can do it. All you gotta do is put your back into it. Swing your arms left and right, like you tryna start up a fight. I can't mess around with those squares.
It hurts.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like,
well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower and I'm all clean now.
Take off this Drax makeup with me. I actually love this look so much I don't want to take it off, but I have to. All of the scarring is liquid latex paste. Now don't do this at home, but I'm going to just peel it off. So I'm going to give up and get in the shower. Take off.
I signed up for this. I put latex all over my face, and this is gonna hurt. So just to explain what I was going for, it was supposed to look like I put someone else's skin, like their face, on my face. So it probably doesn't look like that at first glance, but that's what I was going for. Okay, let's do this. Ow, 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 ow. My peach fuzz. Oh, ow. Owie. This hurts, this hurts, this hurts so bad. Ow. My eyes, oh god. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Such a great face mask.
I've had too much to drink.